Hi viewers, welcome to Study Hub. We are here to cover some important topics that are helpful to crack the aptitude examination. So let's start from the basic. So our topic is permutation and combination. First of all, let's see what all are the sections we are going to cover here. First we start with what is permutation and combination, then important facts and formulas, then some related questions and some important notes. First of all, let's start with what is permutation. The basic meaning of permutation is nothing but rearranging of objects or things or values. Make it more simple, so we can say in simple ways that a set of objects that is need to be arranged in a particular order. So here is the actual definition of permutation, that is the different arrangements of a given number of things by taking some or all at a time, that is called permutation. This is the basic structure of permutation, that is NPR. Now what is N and what is R? N is nothing but the number of distinct objects or values, and R is the rate of time. So the meaning of this structure is number of possible permutations of R objects from a set of N objects. Or in simple way we can say that arranging of N permutation at R number of times. So we can expand it into formula, that is N factorial followed by N minus R factorial. Now if R equals to N means NPN, then we can directly calculate it as a N factorial. Now what is combination? So unlike permutation, combination is the way of selecting several things out of a large group where order doesn't matter. So the actual definition is each of the different groups or selections which can be formed by taking some or all of a number of objects is called a combination. So this is the basic structure of combination, that is NCR. Expand it into a formula, that is N factorial followed by R factorial multiplied N minus R factorial, or in simple way NC N minus R. Now if R is N or 0, then the answer should be 1. We can directly calculate it from the formula also. Or if R is 1, then the answer will be N only. Now coming to some questions related to this topic. The first question is, how many words can be formed by using all letters of the word Bihar? So as we can see, in Bihar there are 5 letters. Now see how we are going to arrange this. There are 5 different letters, so we are using here the formula of permutation, that is the number of letters is total number of letter is 5, and the single letter we are going to arrange it in 5 ways. That's why the R is also 5, the rate is also 5 of the single letter. So the permutation of all 5 letters followed by the 5 rate of time in 5 way we are going to arrange the single letter is NPN. So we know NPN, if R is also equals to N, then we are going to apply the formula as NPN. The answer should be N factorial, so the answer is 120. Now coming up some more different type of questions, that is how many words can be formed from the letters of word daughter so that the vowels are never together. The important thing is we have to see so that the vowels are never together, means we have to arrange this 8 letter of this word, that is daughter, so that the vowels will never come together. Let's see how we are going to arrange it. So as we can see, as I told you earlier, that daughter contains 8 different letters. So now calculate how many vowels are there. So we can see A, U, E, there are 3 vowels. So the question is, let us come to the question. We have to understand the question, that we have to arrange this 8 letter in such a way so that these three vowels never come together. So let's see how we are going to solve this. So first of all, we have to make these 8 letters as a two different group. One is the consonant group and other is the uh, vowel vowel group. So as we can see that there are three vowels. Okay, so we are making it in a different group. Okay, so here now come there is a five consonant and three vowels. So how to solve it? We have to make the vowel in such a way that it should not come together. Okay, so for this we are going to treat this three letter vowel in a group and treat it as a one letter only. So it means now it comes to six letter, means five consonant and this a group of vowel letter, means it count as a six. So calculate it in simple way, because the same formula we are going to apply here. This is npn, because the number of letters and the number of letter is also 6 and the rate is also 6, means each letter we are going to arrange it in 6 way. So this is npn, this is n factorial, means 6 factorial. The answer is 720 ways. And for we are going to calculate the form of letter, means arranging of letter, all the 8 letters in different forms. So we have to calculate the permutation of vowels also, the 3 letter of vowels, that is 3 factorial. So this would be 6 ways. So the total answer should be 720 into 6 is 4320. Now some more type of question is there, that in how many ways can a cricket 11 be chosen out of a batch of 15 players? Here just see, there are 15 players, means 15, this is a group, different several number of group, this is a group where 15 players are there, and among these 15 players we have to choose 11 players. So here we are going to use the formula from combination, because this is a group, this is a group of several players. So the simple formula we have seen earlier also, that we are going to use this formula n minus r. Here n is nothing but the 15 and n minus r is 15 minus 11, that is 4. So the answer is 15 factorial followed by 4 factorial. Answer is 1365. So that's all from permutation and combination topic. You can watch some more videos. The website is youtube.com/thestudyhub. You can like it by hitting on like. So goodbye, have a nice day.